Hey Alexis Love Beauties and Flawless Man. Today we went grocery shopping at Walmart. So I just want to show you what we have. They had some golden pineapples in there. So I got the golden pineapples. Let me say this first. When I was looking at the regular food, because now I like to look at my stuff, I'm not gonna lie. When Dr. Sabi was like, oh, you know, he like getting his fruits and vegetables from Mexico. And when I just started noticing that, you know, our food don't have seeds in it, some of it, and our food is getting like 10 times bigger. The crazy thing is I looked at it today. The food made in the US was like 10 times bigger. Even if it had the seeds or not, it was 10 times bigger. Because see, I looked at some apples. This apple was like this big. I'm not capping to y'all. It was about this big. That's no cap. And it was thick. And so I looked and I was like, I'm straight on that. Now, recently, I have just been looking at stuff anyway. I prefer my stuff to come from like Mexico, Chile, Peru. Where else I'll be looking at? Greece. I prefer my food to come from places like that. I don't even buy stuff no more that says made in the US, period. Like, I understand some stuff, but I look at the labels now. So I just wanted to throw that out there. The food made in the US was like 10 times bigger, and things should not be getting that big. Like, an apple should not be the size of my head. And so when it's big like that, I'm starting to look at stuff like it got extra hormones or something, and I don't want it. Y'all remember that video we made the sea moss and them strawberries was this big from Aldi's? They shouldn't be doubling in size like that. Like, I don't understand where they got the soil and stuff, but it don't make no sense. So not doing it, not having it. But these came from Costa Rica, so they had golden pineapples. So I got 2 golden and the original. Also, I got me some cherries from California. That's another good place to shop. California, Peru, Mexico, and Chile. That's kind of where I get my stuff from. I have, you know, croutons for the salad. Love my movie theater popcorn. Y'all know why I love the popcorn so much. It has the scripture on the back. Isaiah 26:3. You will keep him in perfect peace, whose mind is stayed on you because he trusts in you. I love that script. I was eating this popcorn for years before I even seen that script. And that just kind of like ups it for me. So got me a little snack right there. Then I got a head of lettuce, and I have some coleslaw mix. I got some bread because we're going to make some lamb burgers today. I have a little baby ranch for a salad. And something that's really, really delicious that I love to have now is the papaya. Instead of that sweet papaya juice that's just full of sugar, I like the real papaya. It's really, really delicious. And you know, papaya cures cancer and all types of diseases. When you eat the seeds, do your extended research before you go buy a papaya and start eating all the seeds. Eating too much of something can be detrimental to your health as well. But I know this does cure cancer and other things like that. And I learned that just off research. Do the research about the papaya before you grab this. When I eat it, I eat the flesh. The papaya is so good, you can eat the whole thing. You can eat the flesh, you can eat the inside, you can eat the seeds, you can eat this whole plant is edible. The whole fruit is edible. And I tried the skin, it's really delicious. But if you're going to eat the skin, make sure you clean that. When you eat the seeds, make sure you do your research. You can only eat so much of the seeds a day. I throw out half of the seeds and I probably eat like a little spoonful, but that should be about it. Do your research if you're looking to, you know, cure something. Again, I'm not a doctor. I got this research just, you know, that wisdom just due to research. Do your extended research, but I trust what I read about this, and that's why I love to have it. Got some taco shells, do some tacos. Y'all know how to black bean tacos or anything in a taco shell. And I got the passion fruit, the dragon fruit. Love this, love, love, love these. Are so delicious and so beautiful. Then y'all know I always got to have my avocado. It don't matter for what. I get limes instead of lemons now. It seemed like something was up with the lemons to me. I got these from Mexico too. Lemons, when I've been getting them recently, they haven't even been all that sour, and some of them just been looking crazy. So I get the limes because these are always from Mexico. The lemons that I see be made in the US. I got me a nice onion, got me some mango, love mango. Few little tomatoes here. Also, I got some nectarines, and I have some Granny Smith apples, some Gala apples. I have some collard greens. I like to use that for my salad, or I'll blend it in a smoothie. Collard greens are another good, I mean, when you put up like collard greens, kale, lettuce, I'm going to say collards is first. Collard greens is 10 times more packed with nutrition, vitamin A, vitamin K, just a little everything. So I like to eat that raw now. I don't even cook it anymore unless I want greens. And strawberries. If I'm getting some strawberries, they got to be regular size. Them strawberries from Aldi's was 10 times bigger than this. I'm not buying nothing else. That's what stopped me then. I'm not buying nothing else that's not a regular size. If it's too big, I don't want it. That's all right for a regular strawberry. But y'all know, go watch that sea moss video. Y'all know them strawberries was that big and it was nasty. And when I tried to blend it up in my smoothie, you know the little pieces that be on the strawberry, it was literally, you can see it in the smoothie. So I'm not messing with nothing that's not regular size. You know what I'm saying? If it don't look like this or a regular size apple, then I'm fine. Also got some blackberries. I'm kind of upset because I bought raspberries, but the raspberries look like they were like molded out. So I don't know, I might start doing this in the store, like open it up and just look right here and make sure it ain't got like no little spider webs or it's not molded. And I know sometimes you can't see stuff till you get home, but I think now when I go in the store, I'm about to start opening real quick and just take a look at it, because you know that was $6 I just threw away because they were like molded and had the little spider web look in it. So like this one don't even look that good. I don't really like Walmart for their berries anyway, but thought I'd try it because they were $2 and almost $3, but these are good. Just make sure if you can, let me see if that's a raspberry. Make sure if you can, just look at it. Like, yeah, them raspberries wasn't looking so good. Some of them was dark in the inside and just molded, and I was like, I'm good. So I got some blackberries and I got some cucumbers. Love cucumbers for hydration. So we just did a small grocery run. Also, I want to tell you all a little tip again. You know, a bag of apples is $10 where I just left from. The bag of apples was $10. I seen the bag of oranges for like $9. And for me, I just find it better now for me to just buy them individually by the pound. So it was $1.38 a pound for the apples. So I got 2 of these for like $1.40. I could probably make a bag of apples because it only come like 8 or 9 in a bag of apples. So I can probably make a bag of apples about $5 or $6 versus $10 weighing it up by the pound. So that's something that I like to do now. Like instead of buying a bag of tomatoes for $7, I like to just grab them by the pound now individually. And I use the scale in there, just making sure when they put it all together, you only usually get like 6 or 7 in a pack. So, I mean, it may be better to just buy them individually, weigh them up. Because if it don't go over a pound, then, you know, that's even cheaper. Like, I think the tomatoes were 78 cents a pound. And I think I got them for like 64 cents. Or probably almost 74 cents. So, I like weighing it up now. That way I could probably get a discount, you know. So, that's just something real quick. I feel like I'm talking fast, but I'm super excited. I'm not gonna lie, I'm super excited to have went into the grocery store today, and this is just my piece. Like, I love grocery shopping, just looking at things. I'm super excited. So tonight I'm gonna have me a lamb burger and maybe a side salad and maybe some vegetables. So not vegetables, some fruit. Super excited about that. Also, something y'all know, we'll clean the fruits and vegetables with the distilled vinegar. Also baking soda too. This is another thing. So I'll be using those 2 things, like distilled vinegar or baking soda. I have both right now, but I'm gonna try it with the baking soda this time. So let me show y'all, because this stuff just be out, it be everywhere, and you know, we'll just bring it home, rinse it off real quick. But now I like to like clean my stuff off. So you can do this distilled vinegar or the baking soda. And I'm doing the baking soda this time. I'm pretty much hit everything with it. That way you can eat your skin still. You know, everything is clean. So super excited about this. And I'll let that sit for a minute. Wash it off when it dry. I have like a couple of glass bowls that I can put some of this stuff in instead of having it in the plastic. I just fill the sink up with some water. So I just wanted to stop by and show you all our small grocery haul. Excuse me for talking all fast and stuff, because I was like, oh my god, I'm super excited, but I am. So this is just what we have again. Make sure you clean off the fruits and vegetables, and make sure you're looking at stuff, making sure it's not molded and got no little spider webs in it. That goes for anything. I did the same thing with the bananas. I think they were like $2 or almost $2 a pound. I think I got them 2 for 64 cents. That was under £1. So again, with the papaya, it's really, really powerful. But do your extended research, because I love it. Now it's something that I like to incorporate in my fruit. And I will show you all the dinner that we make. This is our Walmart grocery haul. Alexis loves you. Mwah.